How to link WhatsApp to Facebook page in just a few simple steps. First, open up your Facebook app and at the top right corner of the screen, click on the three horizontal lines. Click on the bunch of icons in front of your profile picture and select the Facebook page that you want to link your WhatsApp account to. Once you've switched to the desired page, click on the page icon at the top right corner, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can access various options for your Facebook page. Scroll down until you find the Linked Accounts option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of different platforms that you can connect to your Facebook page. Look for the WhatsApp option and give it a tap. Now you'll need to select your country code and enter your WhatsApp number. Make sure you've got the correct number typed in, as this is how Facebook will connect to your WhatsApp account. Once you've entered your number, tap on the Send Code to WhatsApp button. This will prompt WhatsApp to send a verification code to your account, which you'll need to complete the linking process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Facebook and WhatsApp to finish connecting your accounts. This usually involves entering the verification code sent to your WhatsApp and confirming the link between the two platforms. And there you have it, how to link WhatsApp to Facebook page. Your WhatsApp account is now successfully linked to your Facebook page. This will allow you to manage your WhatsApp conversations and interactions directly from your Facebook page settings. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.